Hello, welcome to Pratham's YouthNet program. As part of the Digital Readiness course, today we will learn how to use the Zoom app. To join a Zoom meeting, you need to download the Zoom app from Google Play Store on your mobile. Type Zoom in the search bar and complete the process of installing the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Then, log in with your Gmail account. To join the meeting, click on the link sent on the WhatsApp group. After joining the call, check your audio connection and greet others who have joined the meeting. Let us now learn about the features of the Zoom app. On tapping your phone screen, you will see different icons at the bottom. If you are not speaking, mute your mic. When it's your turn to speak, unmute the mic and speak in a clear voice. If you want, you can turn on your video while speaking. If your network connection is weak, then you can keep your video off during the call. To share a photo or video, select the Share Screen option. To stop sharing the photo, tap Stop Share and go back to the meeting. By tapping the participants icon, you can see how many people are attending the meeting. When you tap on your name, you will see the options of Rename and Raise Hand. You can use the Rename option to change your name. Tap on the More option to see the options of Chat, Raise Hand and Emoticons. Tapping on Chat will open the chat box. You can send a message to address everyone on the call or address a single person by either choosing Send to Everyone or by typing a specific person's name respectively. If you want to speak during the meeting, use the Raise Hand icon. After speaking, select the Lower Hand option. Apart from this, you can use thumbs up or clapping emoticon. Follow the rules and respect each other during the call. To leave the meeting, go to the top right corner of the screen and select the Leave option. Hope you got to know the Zoom app better through this tutorial. Thank you.